She got a man at home. That player always go. That's why she ringing my phone. Cause she don't wanna be alone. I'm trying to tell her that's a no, 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 So I hear your player gone. So you calling me? I knew this stuff was going down. When I check my caller ID, Paul it crying, put your clothes on. And I'm on my way. Gotta let you know it's going down. She said she tired of all this lying, tired of all this cheating, tired of being lonely. She tired of this deceiving. I asked her could I hold her. She kindly told me yes. She's trying to leave a man because I hear she got a man at home. That player always gone. That's why she ringing my phone. Cause she don't wanna be alone. I'm trying to tell her that's a no, 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 no.
Yo, what's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? You asked for it, back by popular demand. This right here is the official 314 challenge, y'all. All right, so we starting off. Everything we doing is gonna start to the left, so just keep that in mind. All right, we going left, right, then a right, left. Okay, then you mob to the left, mob to the right. All right. Soon as you get done mobbing, we're going right into that mono. Okay, right, left, then you Nina pop. Nina pop. All right, we're gonna run that back, that mono. All right, one more time. The mono is going here to the left, right, left, then right, left, right. When you finish, you should be facing the next direction, all right, which would be to the right, I guess, from where you started. Yes, all right, then as soon as you get here, you gonna hit that dab in there. All right. Shout out my boy Jay Star. You already know with the already. We been doing that. Before they was calling it the dab. Yeah. So after you come from the dab, all right, you should be facing the next direction, which is this way. You starting over. It's going right back into the dance. All right. You going left, right, then right, left. All right. Mob it out. Mob it out. Then mono to left, right, left, right, left, right. Now you facing to the back. All right. Soon as you get to the back, don't forget that dab. All right. Then it's going right back into it, y'all. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Comment. Let us know if y'all feeling it. If we need to make a longer version, hit us up. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. That right there was the official 314 slide, y'all.
So make sure y'all hit that hashtag 314 slide STL, whatever you need to put there. But we all got to see that. So y'all keep it rolling.
Tag us.
Join the movement.
Videos.
St. Louis 314 day. What's the word? Let's do it.
Stand up. Catch us on TikTok.